Okay, hey guys. I wanted to do a quick little how-to video to talk to you about some things that we've changed for summer school. So you'll notice that when you go under classwork, so that's where I am now, there's things are arranged a little differently. So we have 4 weeks of summer school: week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So I try to set this up for you so it would be a little bit easier than having to kind of jump all over the place to find different links. So, of course, you'll start here with June 1st, as that's the first day of summer school. My goal is to have everything load and be posted for you the Sunday of each week. So tomorrow, the links for week 1 will all go live and you'll be able to access all of those. Of course, the idea is that you move through the class day by day so we all stay together. You know, if you have to work on some of the packet information ahead of time or at different opportunities, that's fine because I know everybody has different schedules. But in terms of just the activities that we do, we're going to be doing some things on our Zoom meetings together that are specific that we do together. So let's look first at June 1st. I'm going to do my best to set up each day like this so that it's easy for you to follow. You'll notice that there's several things that are linked to this particular day. So I'm going to go through each of them really quickly with you. So hopefully you all picked up your packets from the Upstate Family Resource Center. If you did not, you need to reach out to me or Miss Libby so we can get you one, because this is going to be the majority of our work throughout the summer session. We have a packet for each of the 4 weeks. So of course this one says June 1st through the 4th. When we open it up, you will notice that you have this packet here, which has 2 stories in it that we're going to do together over Zoom. And then you have some math. The packet starts here with order of operations. And so as you can see on the assignment, it says when you complete day 1, order of operations of the first packet, you'll enter your answers in the order of operations question. So you'll do your work here, actually in the packet, answering the questions, and then you will click on the order of operations questions, and then all you'll do is go through here. Like on question 1, if you said A, you'll put A. If you said B for question 2, you'll put B, and so on. Once you've answered those questions, you will go down here, of course, to the bottom and hit submit, and then those will get sent to me to check. That is going to be kind of day by day. You'll be doing that. Then once you've done that assignment, you'll want to go and read the animal attacks. So you can see you've got a packet in here, and I've also uploaded it onto Google Classroom so that you can read the story on Google Classroom if that's easier for you. Of course, you can download the app on your phone, and that might be something that you can do on the go. So the story is available there as well. And there are questions that go with that. So you will read the questions and answer them, preferably before the Zoom meeting, before we meet together for that. Okay, guys, that's really important. So you'll notice that you have the order of operations that goes along with the packet, the story, and the questions. Those are for our Zoom meeting. You will also find the link for the Zoom meeting here, and then you'll see your meeting ID and password there as well. One of the things that we're also going to work on this summer is increasing our vocabulary, and there are some specific words that go along with what we're doing with order of operations. And so when we click on the week 1 vocabulary, it's going to take you to a website called Quizlet, and there are lots of things that you can do here. You can do flashcards, where it shows you both sides. You can do learn, which answer every term correctly twice to finish it. So you can go through and, what does times mean? Is that division, subtraction, addition, multiplication, that sort of thing? You also have the option to play a couple of games. You can do a match game or a gravity game. And then at the end of the week in our Thursday Zoom, we will all play a game together and kind of see where everyone is on their vocabulary. So that's kind of the structure of how each week is going to go. So each day's assignment will have, your Zoom link and the password there. You'll have the reading, the animal attacks, animal 2 questions that go along with the Zoom meeting. You'll have the next part in the packet, which is we did order of operations first, and then we'll do the multi-set word problems. And so you'll just answer your questions in the Google Classroom. Just load your information in there for me to check instead of having to send me this. like uploaded or anything. And then you'll continue to practice your vocabulary. And then, of course, on June 4th, it'll look a little different. You'll do your math packet assignment, and then we'll launch the meeting just to do our Kahoot. So hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, let me know.